6. Because I'm telling you, man, there's no other place you won't get right back to the bed. I know y'all miss me. I know y'all do. I know y'all do. I'll be very busy. Do what I gotta do. You know how that goes, man. I know this topic may be seen a little harsh, but this one's for the haters, and it's called the haters, man. Let me tell you something about haters, man. Let me tell you something. Haters come from shapes, different size, and every color. They always say, once is walk like a duck, smell like a duck, quack like a duck, and look like a duck. Hater could be all these 4 things I'm talking about. Once it can smell like a hater, walk like a hater, talk like a hater, and sound like a hater, that's a hater, straight up. And you ain't got to need no dictionary and no people hating on you. I'm telling you, I got people hating on my ass. But guess what? They can fuck them. They can get dicking behind all they want. Because I ain't going to stop. And none of you boys ain't stopping me. None of you. None of you. Y'all can hurt my soul, but y'all can never kill my spirit. I'm still here, still making a living, man. Motherfucker. Anytime you want to take it, you can take it all you want. I don't care, because the brother's still standing. But like I said, man, everybody got haters somewhere. Jobs, the streets, and definitely in the clubs, man. And hater, it could be man hating, and especially it could be women hating. Oh my God, anybody can hate, man. It's like Cat Williams says, man. Because what do you think Jobs, what they gonna do? Let the motherfuckers gonna hate. If they gonna hate on your ass, then let them. Hate them, because that's what their job is. Let them get their hating on. That's all they want. That's what they want. They want to hate because they can't have what you don't got. You gotta see that, man. Because that's what they want to do. They want to hate on you. They wanted to see you go on. You always gotta rise up. Don't rise down. Rise up. And nothing ain't gonna stop you. Me, ain't nothing gonna stop me. Ain't nothing gonna stop me, baby. I'm gonna keep on moving, and trucking like a train. When a train on the track, I'm on that shit. Straight up. Ain't nobody ain't gonna stop me. For all you motherfuckers out there want to put me down on high school, now what? Say something now. What? I'm still here. For all the ones that loved me when I was nothing, gave y'all something. But even though I gotta proceed, man, it's just gonna take some time, man. That's what I gotta do, man. I mean, I'm everybody's person, man. I love everybody, man. As long as you respect me, I respect you, and we be getting along just fine. But like I said before, man, people gonna hate on you, man. That's what they're gonna do. They're gonna hate on you. They're gonna talk about you till the day you die. You know what I'm saying? That's what they do, man. Because, like, big up to all my haters. You know, if you got somebody hating on you, get their ass out and let them motherfuckers know. I'm telling you, here on your boy on Domination Channel, I'm telling you, make your video response, make a comment, send everybody that hating on you since day one, and you rise on them. Let them know and laugh at their face. If you ain't gotta laugh with them, you laughing right at them. Like, now I'm making it now. What you got something to say now? Holler at your boy, man. I mean, I'm the man in Dallas. You know how that go. This is my city, your city. This is everybody's city. I'm in your city, anyone else city. I'm telling you, man. They're gonna hate on you. That's what they're gonna do. Let the motherfuckers gonna hate because they're gonna hate. I'm telling you, that's what they're gonna do. Now I know. And that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna hate on your ass, man. They can't stand to see somebody out there making it. They can't stand it. It make them sick in their stomach, like, oh! Like, that's a hater, like, straight up this side haters, like, oh, I hate him. God damn, I wish he ain't got nothing, man. You always gotta have the women, the girls, and all that, man. Always talking, man. Man, fuck that nigga. I don't know who the fuck that nigga think he is, man. I'm telling you, that brother, talking and stuff, man. Every time I gotta go in there, he always got something I ain't wanna have. I ain't never had nothing, man. What I do to get that? Cause they can't. Cause they wanna pretend, man. It's like, I know, yep, you too. Everybody, Mr. Me Too, is just like a hater, man. That's what they want to do. They want something that you have, what they had. As long as you pick up, they pick up what you do, and they pick up what you're doing. I'm telling you, that's like a hater, man. But I'm going to tell you, man, send your video response, send your comments, anything on that. If you want a hater shout out, add them out and let them know, man, because I should add them to all the people hating on me, and I'm still standing, and ain't nothing gonna stop me from nobody, not none of you. I mean, haters around the town, other states, haters everywhere we go, haters everywhere we go, haters, even my jobs are hating, my job and my school hating, everything. But the ones who stay down with me and support me, I appreciate it, and do what you get to do. Because keep on calling, because I'm calling y'all back. But all y'all motherfuckers who else hating, fuck y'all, because y'all ain't shit. But I got to big up to you, man. The more hating y'all is, the more bigger I can be. And it's going to take some time, though. It's just going to wait my patience. Alright, man? And that's all I got to say back in the day, man. Alright? And it's your boy, Domination. It's YouTube. Chunk Up Deuce. That's how we do Texas, baby. Oh, and I forget. My brother, he got his own channel, man. Look him up, man. I don't know what his own channel is, but look him up, man. Look him up on the channel. He's on my page, on YouTube page, and I got a video, favorite, and he's on there talking about rappers going to jail. Look him up, man. I'm telling you, that's my little bro, and I love him. He loves me. We like brothers, man. We like brothers, man. We stay down, all right. And that's all I gotta say, man. That way. This is Domination. This is YouTube Chunk Up Deuce. That's how we do it back in the basics. Alright? Check my brother out, just like I check me out. Alright? Alright. Till next time. Peace.